to truly show how music and wine and food can work harmoniously together, I based an entire meal around the lyrics to one Ben Harper song.
Serenaded by chorus.
The opening lyric to that song goes something like, I'm being serenaded by a chorus of 1,000 burning cigarettes. And that really kind of set the mood for me with this menu. There's something to be said for the flavor of burn or grill or char. So what I've done is I've taken the entire menu and tied those all together with a burn aspect in each one. So we're doing the fire-roasted chestnut risotto with black truffles. So we've basically burned these, not burned, but really hard roasted them over binchotan charcoal, which is a Japanese charcoal. It gets really hot, but imparts a very unique flavor. But he loved black truffles. That moment, he says he'll never forget that first moment he had black truffles. But as we're going through these courses, the wine is being incorporated through each one.
Well, first of all, black truffle is one of Ben's favorites. So it's really nice to incorporate some of his favorites into the menu. And this we're pairing with our 2005 Magnificat. It's a blend of all 5 Bordeaux varietals. So it's got a cassis, plum, there are earthy notes, get a little bit of tobacco in there, and I think that that interplay of the fruit and the earthy and the tobacco are going to pair so beautifully with the chestnut and the truffle. So I think it'll be echoing and complement each other. I think it'll be a beautiful pairing.
Food and wine are integral. It's yin and yang. They're there to blend together in harmony. Just like music, it's about harmony.